6 density. Again. So it doesn't matter if you are doing more fusioning in a theme of yellow, I mean pink. For instance, the clients want pink. So your background is gonna be more pink. Then you can put some more of like a green or bluish colors, and then you can do a blue and yellows crystals. So you can just reverse it. Either way, it's gonna look so beautiful. I think it's gonna be great, however you would like. So if you're first time using condensed glue gels, it's gonna be a little bit thick density, so just make sure you just blend it, and it go right in, going like float on the surface of the nails. And you gonna do is the next step. It's gonna using is no white top coat. Just floating on the top of your condensed glue gel. Just floating it on the top. Oh, what color are we talking about? This one right there? No.
Yeah.
Wrong one. No?
Yellow. Yeah, that yellowish.
Yellow's good, because there's not a lot of
Pink.
yellow. No,
Pink's
yellow.
really, really strong.
There's not a lot of yellow.
Okay, now we'll do this pink. Doesn't matter. You can put pink on it.
Pink is good.
You don't need pink. It's just overpowered the whole piece.
That's what we want, right, ladies?
More crystal.
You can say whatever you want. We do whatever we want.
All mothers are doing whatever mother wants.
Nothing is such a too much, and nothing is such as overpower at all. I think it's good. Just kidding. So if you do whatever color you like, and for your clients, I just doing this for the preference. So if you don't like this, don't worry, you can do a different one. Doesn't have to be exact the same. We just inspire from each other, and it's just fun to. I don't like a really vibrant color though. I was like, I don't know how about you, but for me,
God.
I love it.
Don't put too much. You're gonna take away the detail from the fusion.
Big. Hey, say hi to Sophia.
Hi Sophia, how are you? See?
Oh. Yeah, for Celestia now, we're gonna have a niece soon.
Oh, my daughter-in-law is having a baby. Oh, congratulations, Foxy. So excited. So I'm using gold to place in between the crystals, but if your clients don't like it and just want plain, absolutely, you can skip it. I think I'm good. Okay, now I am going to key it for 60 seconds.
Show this one.